Hey everybody, Grant Windley Well Services here. Just got done with a long day's work and I wanted to do a video for y'all. This time I'm not going to be talking about well drilling though. I'm going to be talking about some of the different tools that I use on a daily basis, and that's my GoPro mount of choice. I recently just bought a GoPro mount, and I'm going to do a quick review for you of it. And it's this guy here. It's the what they call the 3-in-1 tripod mount. When I bought this mount, to be honest with you, I didn't even know it had a tripod. I just wanted a mount where I could hook my GoPro on the end and kind of use as a selfie stick. So not only does this mount serve as that, you can see it rotates this way, and then my Hero 5, I can rotate it up here on top as well. So it's got 3 different ranges of motion on the actual arm itself. Another little neat feature I liked about it, because I tend to like to keep my stuff compact. This little button here, little blue button, press it, folds up out of the way, nice and neat, compact. But probably the number one thing that I like about it the most, that I didn't know about, is this little mount up under here. So you would think that me buying a tripod mount, I would know that it had a tripod on it. Well, I didn't. I guess sometimes you just wing stuff and buy it, and sometimes you find out you made a good purchase, and sometimes you didn't. Well, this one was a good purchase. You can see there it is. The mount, or the tripod itself, slides up into the handle, keeping it compact. When you need it, you just unscrew it, turn it over, flip the legs out. Move this arm wherever you need it to go, and next thing you know, you're filming. This works very well in my job when I'm using my GoPro. I have some action shots that I need to take where the camera is not on me, or I'm not holding it as I'm using my hands to work. So I've literally set this in the mud with the wind blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour, and have taken videos for 5 to 10 minutes or so, and haven't had it blow over. So this is one of the better purchases I made. Bought it at Target. They sell them everywhere. I got mine at Christmas time. They had it on sale for $50. I think they're usually $60 or $70. But anyways, this is my preferred weapon of choice that stays on my GoPro that I use a lot. I love it. It's the best mount I've bought so far. So go get you one. Hope you like the review. Be sure to check us out at WindleyWellServices.com, and check us out on our YouTube channel as well. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.